If you're over 40 and your shoulders hurt every time you reach overhead, I want you to stop telling yourself it's because you're getting old. That's not what's happening at all. What's actually going on is simple. 3 tiny muscles that should be stabilizing your shoulder have gone completely offline. Not injured, not damaged, just asleep. But in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 5 movements that wake those muscles back up and restore your shoulder function in just 8 minutes a day. 4 of these movements require 0 equipment, and the third one is the exact exercise that stopped my shoulder from clicking every time I lifted my arm. Let's break your pattern and rebuild your movement. Your shoulder pain has nothing to do with age. It has everything to do with alignment, posture, and muscle activation. Think about your day, sitting at a laptop, driving, scrolling on your phone, leaning forward, almost never reaching overhead. Your chest tightens, your shoulders round forward, your shoulder blades drift apart, and your rotator cuff, 4 small muscles that center and stabilize your shoulder, basically checks out. Then you reach overhead to grab something, and your shoulder joint moves without support. That grinding or pinching sensation you feel is your body asking to be realigned. Here's the good news. Shoulders are extremely fixable. The moment you free the chest, reactivate the stabilizers, and retrain your shoulder blades, pain decreases fast. Let's start that process right now. Movement 1. The doorway chest reset. This is the foundation. If your chest stays tight, nothing else works properly. Find a doorway. Place your forearm on the frame. Elbow at shoulder height. Lean forward until you feel a long, clean stretch across your chest and the front of your shoulder. Hold for 30 seconds per side. This stretch creates space in the shoulder joint, allows the shoulder blades to reposition, and reduces the forward pull that causes discomfort. Do this in the morning when your body is stiff, and again in the evening after a full day of tightening back up. Weeks 1 and 2, hold for 30 seconds. Weeks 3 and 4, 45 seconds. By week 4, you'll lean deeper with far less tension. That opens the door. Now we wake up what's been asleep. Movement 2. Rotator cuff. Reboot. Your rotator cuff controls the center of the shoulder joint. When it shuts down, pain shows up. Lie on your side. Elbow glued to your ribs. Forearm pointing forward. Rotate your hand upward like you're opening a book. Slow up. Slow down. No swinging. No momentum. 10 clean reps per side. You're not building size here. You're rebuilding stability, something most people lose over time. Weeks 1 and 2, use no weight. Weeks 3 to 5, use a water bottle. Weeks 6 to 10, a light dumbbell. When these muscles wake up, your shoulder finally feels supported again. Now let's fix posture and position. Movement 3. Band pull apart. If there's one movement that changes everything, this is it. Band pull-aparts teach your shoulder blades how to sit, retract, and stabilize. Arms straight. Band at shoulder height. Pull apart by squeezing your shoulder blades back and down, not by yanking with your hands. 12 to 15 reps. This movement fixes rounded shoulders, poor posture, clicking joints, and that stuck feeling when raising your arm. Weeks 1 to 3, use a light band. Weeks 4 to 6, a medium band. After week 7, 15 to 20 smooth reps. After a few weeks, you'll notice your shoulders naturally sit further back even when you're not exercising. Now let's release what limits your reach. Movement 4. Crossbody shoulder release. Most people forget the rear shoulder gets tight too, especially if you press, lift, or sit forward regularly. Bring your right arm across your chest. Use your left hand to guide it closer. Keep your shoulders level. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds per side. This restores the slide and glide your shoulder needs to move freely overhead. At this point, your shoulder has space, stability, alignment, and flexibility. Now we test everything. Movement 5. Wall slides. This movement exposes the truth and fixes what it reveals. Stand with your back flat against the wall. Head touching. Arms in a goalpost position. Slide your hands upward without losing contact. Control every inch. Slow up. Slow down. If this feels difficult, that's normal. This movement forces everything we fix today to work together. Week 1, go halfway up. Week 2, 3/4. By week 4, full range. By weeks 8 to 10, smooth, controlled mobility. When you can do 8 to 10 reps without compensation, your shoulders are moving exactly as they were designed to. Let's put the system together. Open the front. Wake up stability. Reposition the blades. Release the rear. Reinforce full range. Do this for 8 to 12 minutes a day and your shoulders will change. Week 1, pain starts reducing. Week 4, range improves. Week 10, shoulders feel younger, stronger, and smoother. That's what instruction is about. Harnessing the power within yourself and rebuilding your body like a force of nature. If today's work helped you move better, keep going. Instruction is about transformation. Building yourself piece by piece, rep by rep, day by day, until the version of you that once felt unreachable becomes your new normal. Check the description for free guides, training tools, and soon, our full collection of instruction programs and resources designed to help you stay mobile, strong, and pain-free. Your body isn't slowing down. It's just waiting for you to take control again. This is instruction, your construction, your evolution, your power. I'll see you in the next video.